politics involved, but we need to stop that wedding. We break up Jason and Tahani. Janet stops being sad. Derek goes away.
Fine, but there's something called the doctrine of double effect. In order to remain ethical, you can't just go into this with the intention of killing Derek. Your only goal has to be to spare Jason and Tahani from future pain by filling them in on Jason's past.
No, I got you. So it's like, ethically, we should tell Jason that he used to be married to Janet, and it sure would be terrible if that ultimately led to Derek's death. Wink.
No, winking is bad. You should not be winking or saying the word wink.
Okay. We really need to kill any suspicion that I want to murder Derek. Boom! Wink.
No.
Donnie, you're so smart. Every day you teach me something new about art and history and why I shouldn't eat everything that smells good. Because sometimes it's candles. You're basically like a hot genius teacher who sometimes